Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial video on regression analysis. Have you ever wondered what really affects a student's academic performance? Is it just study hours? Or do factors like family background and parental support also matter? In this video, we will use multiple linear regression to analyze a real-world problem in education and determine which factors most influence exam scores.
Regression analysis is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. In our case, the dependent variable y is the student's exam score. The independent variable x are study hours, socioeconomic status, and parental involvement. The general form of a multiple linear regression is where each coefficient represents how much the exam score changes when one variable increases while the others are held constant.
Problem and dataset. Now let's consider a real-world scenario. A school wants to predict a student exam scores based on 3 factors. We've collected sample data from our 5 students, and as you can see in our table, our goal is to build a model to predict an exam scores and identify which factors has the highest, strongest impact.
So now, let's move on to the solution of our problem. We will apply multiple linear regression step by step to compute the model, starting from the raw data up to the final regression equation. So, step 1, we have to set up the matrix. We convert our dataset into matrix form. So, the matrix X contains the predictors and Y contains the exam scores. The first column of points represents the intercept. For step 2, we compute the required sums including totas, squares, and cross products. For example, the sum of x1 squared is computed by squaring each value and adding them together, which give the 340. So, repeat this process for all variables to prepare to matrix computation. So after that, we now go to step 3. We have to form the matrices. Using the sums, construct X transpose X and X transpose Y as shown on the screen. And now, the step 4, we now apply the OLS formula. We then apply the ordinary least squares formula. So, this involves taking the transpose of X, multiplying it, finding the inverse, and then multiplying by Y. To simplify computation, we will use calculator or Excel to compute the inverse. So that this final equation gives us the regression equation, that is y hat equals 15.20 plus 15.30 x1 plus 2.10 x2 plus 1.80 x3. Finally, and lastly, we have to model the evaluation. So we evaluate the model using this R-squared formula. So this compares the model's error, the total variation in the data. Our R-squared is approximately 0.9999, which indicate an excellent fit.
In conclusion, we used multiple linear regression to analyze student performance. We found that study hours is the strongest predictor, while parental involvement also has meaningful impact, and socioeconomic status contributes as well. This shows that the academic success is influenced by multiple factors and not just studying alone. Regression analysis is a powerful tool that can help educators and decision makers make data-driven improvements.
That's the end of our tutorial on regression analysis. We are Educational Achievement from CSAM 221 section BCS 2A. Thank you for watching.